Hi, welcome to Pat Talks Law. My name is Patrick Nolan. I'm an attorney licensed in the state of Missouri. Today I'm giving you an update on Missouri's medical marijuana law. First, for those of you who don't know, the fee pre-filing opening is January 5th. However, the form has been released by the Department of Health and Senior Services. Now that form, application form, is right here. There we go, line that up. And I will go ahead and make this form available on my website at www.nemolegal.com. It'll be available for you to download or pre-fill out. Now, just a quick run through this form. I have to tell you, it's not a very complicated form. Now here, I'm walking through the pre-filed fee form and I'm showing you how to fill it out. Block 1A, your legal name, last name first, entering Smith. First name, John. No, I'm not John Smith. Middle name, Bob. Yes, we spell it backwards. Company legal name, if known. Look, I'm just making this up. If you use the name, at least send me a cup of coffee or something. Missouri Medical Marijuana Enterprises. Doing business as Columbia, no. Let's back that up. Columbia's Best Dispensary. Social Security number or the tax ID number? Yeah, no, I'm not giving you my social or any of my business's tax ID numbers. I'm sure most of you will understand. Mailing address. Whatever the mailing address from the contact you is, I'm just filling in 123 Main Street, somewhere, Missouri, and the zip code. You're going to want to plug in a telephone number for additional contact information. You don't have to, but it's probably a good idea. Doesn't really matter what that number is for this purpose. Clearly, I'm not giving you my cell phone. An email address. Well, let's have some fun with email address. Your spammy email. Yours at spammyemail.com. Again, I don't know if that's an actual domain name. I'm not going to look it up. But if spammyemail.com exists, congratulations, I just plugged it. Selecting the box for a cultivation facility on this. The nearest anticipated community is Columbia. Missouri, I'm just typing in 65102. I don't even remember if that's the zip code in Columbia. And again, I'm not going to look it up. And then down, printed name of applicant, Robert Smith. And I'm the CEO and chief smoke. Well, no, we'll just leave it CEO. And clearly, you've already seen the problem here, I'm sure. Robert Smith is not the person who filled out the form at the top. That would have been John Smith. This application will probably be kicked. You want to make sure that the printed name of the applicant and the signature of the applicant match the top of the form. Regarding payment of fees, the license application fee is $10,000 for a cultivation facility. It is $6,000 for medical marijuana dispensary and $6,000 for medical marijuana infused products manufacturing facility. So if you want to make food and edibles, it's $6,000. Now that fee payment has to accompany this form. Again, we've made available on my law firm's website for you. Now the fee is going to be paid by personal check, cashier's check, or money order, or certified check. Now the checks, money orders have to be made payable to the Missouri Department of Health and Senior Services. The application fees, again, are not refundable. You pre-file your fee, you pay it. You will not get it back if you don't get a license. You won't get it back if you don't even attempt to fill out the application form. Once it's paid, it is lost. It's gone. Whether you get the application and your license is approved or not. The pre-filed application fees shall only be applicable to a license application submitted within 1 year. So if you pre-file your fees January 5 and your license, you don't file your application for license within a year, so by January 5 of 2020, you will lose your application fees and have to file again. Excuse me. And it goes without saying, but the applicant must have a business interest in the entity that is applying for the pre-filing fees. That's it. It's not that complicated. And as you'll see from the form, it's something you don't even need an attorney to fill out. You can do that yourself. But for the people that think you do need an attorney, let's talk about that for a minute. It's the video I'd planned for today that I'm not doing. One of the problems there is, in Missouri, an attorney cannot assist you with that. It is a very unfortunate thing. I'm not really happy about it, but there is an ethics opinion 2014-04. That informal ethics opinion states that we can't assist you in getting licensing for something that has that's a Schedule I drug. So I presume that is because it is illegal federally. And myself, I'm not willing to take that chance and make that argument. Surely there's going to be an attorney or two that will, but I think they're risking their license if they do. It's not a risk that I'm willing to take. However, we are making the information available. We're doing that through YouTube and through our website. The application form will be on my website, www.nemolegal.com. Please come download it. You can fill it in, print the filled out form for you to sign, and send in. I'm going to do more on the ethical issues of attorneys representing marijuana businesses in Missouri in a video soon, but I wanted to get that out and get this prepared. Folks, it's time. The land rush is starting. Get your forms, get them filled out if you're going into the marijuana business, and get your funds so that you can turn this in on January 5. I would recommend that you have a courier or you turn it in person. Be there at dark 30 in the morning and get your place in time. Be one of the first. I really, truly believe that there will be a first in time system applied when license apps come in on the same day. First in time for fees. I believe that they will have a first in time preference. So plan on getting it in. Plan on being in Jeff City on January 5. Brave the cold. Have a cup of coffee and get your business going. Good luck. There'll be more soon. Thank you.